So right now we say we'll jump off into the main course. I'm gonna pull out them, I'm not sure which one of them. Which one. There we go. Like this. Get the brake fluid. Here goes our first quart of engine oil. And you can hear the engine filling up. Toyota SAE 10W30 oil. While that drain, we're going to top up the two coolant system. Not the right coolant for the hybrid, but we're going to top it up same for that part. But this is the right one for this part. Oops. Overflow bottle too much. This one done alright. Alright. So everybody agreed. Right. Enough coolant in that. Enough in that. And of course, more than enough in that and that. So now we'll come back over on the main course. That. I'll put in the next one now. And leave it at me half an hour. It will take me half an hour. 2 buckle of oil. Next time I might change spark plug. This car fairly new, I just bought it from my friend. Customer leave them shit. Yeah, of course. That is that. Yeah. Alright. That one's supposed to finish. This is dead parts. Dead parts. Alright, go up now on the third. So that looks like it's a half buckle I want to. I'll go up on the third now. Engine a bit dirty, but I'm scared of engine wash. I'm sorry. I don't care what nobody wants to say. I have one experience with engine wash. I mean, I do another engine wash. And anyway, when you go to engine wash, I'm not responsible for my engine or any electrical damage. Yeah. Shit. Why the third quart of a spill? It almost didn't spill though. I was just easing back to you that you guys get a better view. But and with that, we check if we have any leaks. No leak. No setting. No those that we had vetted. We're almost done. 3 quarts.